Welcome to the thrilling world of aerial adventure. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a tech enthusiast, or just someone with an eye for cutting-edge gadgets, drones have become an essential tool for capturing breathtaking moments from new perspectives. In this video, we'll be soaring through the skies to explore the best drones that redefine the art of flight. Get ready to embark on a journey that transcends boundaries and elevates your creativity to new heights. And for those eager to dive into this realm of innovation, fear not. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So buckle up and join us as we navigate the skies to uncover the best drones that redefine the way we see the world. Let the adventure begin. Number 5. Holystone HS720E. Holystone HS720E, a game-changer in the world of drones designed for adults seeking unparalleled aerial experiences. FAA-compliant, it features the Holystone Remote ID module, ensuring seamless adherence to regulations. The 4K EIS anti-shake camera, equipped with a cutting-edge Sony sensor, delivers crystal-clear videos, setting new standards in image quality. This GPS drone guarantees a stable flight with air optical flow and altitude control, while the auto-return-to-home function ensures worry-free exploration. With an impressive 46-minute flight time provided by the Fly More kit, comprising 2 intelligent batteries, your adventures will soar to new heights. The user-friendly controls offer innovative flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, empowering you to capture stunning shots effortlessly. Say goodbye to noisy distractions. This product boasts whisper-quiet power with its brushless motors, providing stability and an extended motor lifespan. The convenience of the included carrying bag makes transport and storage a breeze. Elevate your videography and photography with the Holystone HS720E, where innovation meets adventure. Number 4. Ruko F1G IM2. Ruko F1G IM2, a pro-level drone designed for the youths seeking extraordinary aerial adventures. FAA-compliant, this sleek black drone combines cutting-edge features for an unparalleled flying experience. Capture stunning 4K photos and videos with a 2-axis gimbal featuring EIS triple anti-shake technology and a 5x zoom with a 100 degrees FOV. Experience an impressive 96 minutes of flight time with included 3 batteries, ensuring extended exploration. The drone's enhanced GPS enables auto-return home in low battery or weak signal scenarios, while indicator lights and beeping sounds aid in tracking during flight. Safety is paramount, with an extra landing pad for secure takeoffs and landings. Take control with the app or the rechargeable controller, offering GPS flight features like waypoint and multiple control options. The rechargeable controller provides real-time flight data, camera controls, and more, making every flight a seamless and thrilling experience. Number 3. Bwi S7. Welcome to the future of aerial exploration with the Bwi S7, a cutting-edge drone engineered for adult adventurers. FAA certified and sleek in black, the S7 is equipped with a powerful 4K camera supported by a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring breathtaking footage with stability and precision. Unleash your creativity with an extended flight time of 75 minutes, courtesy of 3 intelligent batteries and a portable bag for on-the-go adventures. Conquer altitudes up to 2,000 meters and withstand level 6 wind resistance, showcasing the S7's prowess in diverse terrains and weather conditions. Never lose sight of your drone with GPS technology enabling automatic returns on low battery, lost signal, or one-button command. The Bwi S7 offers advanced app settings for instant social media sharing and creative editing options, turning your aerial escapades into cinematic masterpieces. In the box, you'll find the Bwi camera drone, 311.1 V 2600 mAh batteries, a stylish carrying shell case, a transmitter, USB cables, an Allen wrench, propeller blades, and screws. With a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, Bwi ensures you're ready to elevate your drone experience with confidence. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE. Meet the Potensic Atom SE, your passport to lightweight and foldable drone adventures for adults. In a sleek gray design, weighing less than 249 grams, this drone is FAA compliant and boasts a remarkable 62 minutes of flight time. With 4K EIS camera technology, enjoy shake-vanish stability, capturing smooth images within a 118 degrees FOV and a vertical plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees camera. The Surgefly flight control system offers beginner-friendly modes and advanced options like sport mode, reaching speeds of up to 16 meters per second in just 2.8 seconds. With PicSync 2.0 technology, the Atom SE ensures stable video transmission up to 4 km, while the control range extends to an impressive 4 km/13,123 feet. Equipped with two intelligent 2500 mAh batteries, each providing up to 31 minutes of flight time, this drone gives you 62 minutes to explore creatively. GPS features such as auto-return and multiple flight modes, including Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, add versatility to your aerial adventures. Enjoy the convenience of firmware over-the-air updates and compatibility with iOS and Android devices. With Potensic Atom SE, immerse yourself in limitless possibilities and capture the world from breathtaking angles. Find the best prices in the video description below and take flight with the Potensic Atom SE. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2. Enter the world of aerial excellence with the DJI Mavic Air 2, an extraordinary drone that seamlessly blends power, portability, and intelligence. Elevate your photography game with an impressive 48MP camera featuring a half-inch CMOS sensor and a 3-axis gimbal delivering stunning 4K/60 fps video. Unleash your creativity and capture the beauty of the world like never before. With an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, the Mavic Air 2 allows you to execute epic, fast-paced shots with ease. Intelligent features like Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 3.0, and POA 3.0 make aerial photography a breeze, ensuring your subjects are effortlessly tracked and centered. Immerse yourself in the world of high-performance aerial content with HDR video capabilities and OcuSync 2.0, providing a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles. Beginners will appreciate obstacle sensing in 3 directions, enhancing safety during flight. Unleash your imagination and explore the skies with the Mavic Air 2, which includes the aircraft, remote controller, intelligent flight battery, low-noise propellers, RC cables, gimbal protector, battery charger, and more. Transform your aerial photography with DJI, where innovation meets excellence. So there you have it, fellow drone enthusiasts. The sky is no longer the limit when it comes to capturing breathtaking moments from above. From the powerful DJI Mavic Air 2 to the feature-packed Potensic Atom SE, and the innovative Ruko F1G IM2 to the compact DJI Mini 2, these drones redefine the art of flight. If you're ready to elevate your aerial adventures, check out the links in the description for the latest prices on these incredible drones. Your journey into the skies awaits. If this guide helped you navigate the drone landscape, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow aviators, and hit that subscribe button with the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy flying!